Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to embed YouTube videos on Canva website. For example, you can see that I've embedded a YouTube video right here. For example, right there. So to do this, all you'll need to do, first let me create a blank page. The first step that you'll need to take is to tap on text from the left-hand menu option, and you're going to tap on add a heading. Then from there, you're going to simply pull the text box to the top of the page, as you can see right there. After you have done that, you're going to go onto YouTube. And let's say, for example, I would like to embed this video. All you'll need to do is tap on the three dots in line with the video title. Then you're going to tap on share, and instead of selecting embed, you're just going to select the video URL. So that is all you'll need to copy, the video URL. After you have copied the video URL, you're going to go back into Canva. You're going to select the entire text box. Then you're going to see the link icon appear. You're going to tap on the link icon and you're going to paste in the video URL, and you're going to tap on the box. Then from there, you're going to see display mode link. You're going to tap on link and you're going to select embed. After selecting embed, you can see that the video has now been embedded. All you'll need to do is simply pull on the box to adjust the size to your liking, as you can see right there. Once you have done that, you can now tap on publish and your video has been embedded. For example, if I were to select preview, you can see that I now have two videos embedded on my Canva website. And that is it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.